everyone. Star Spangled Spirit Collection coming at ya.
So the asymmetrical, do we call that?
Yeah, it's an asymmetrical
Okay, bow. Love this business. Here are the pockets. Here is where it hits, a little midi. Have it on with a little wedge. And I think this is so many things you can do with this. I mean, put sneakers, but graduation parties. This would have been cute for the derby for sure, but I don't even know where to begin.
Yeah.
A million things. Summer fun, but look how cute. These little things are the summer, the strawberry socials coming up. Downtown Newburgh. So that's what this was for, dropping that then. Okay, here we go, changing. But I'm in the size small here. It is a zip and just nice fabric, little bit of stretch to it. Okay, empathy is for lovers. Okay, this is another one of our Mayfair sweatshirts. This is the same as the one that was rooting for you, that we all just...
3 of us have it.
3, you,
Denny.
you, and me.
Oh, you have it too? Oh,
4
of us.
Sorry, I don't think anyone else has it. I guess it's just Flutter that has it. You know what? That's because once you feel it, you're like, oh, here we go. Okay, but anyway, love these colors. And then the shorts, these are Pistola. I love these. Holy smokes. I do have black Spanx on underneath, so you probably can see it doesn't look as rich and like creamish colored, but they are a true like cream, and gorgeous. I love the leg opening, not too wide, not too grabby, and very stretchy. I believe I'm in my true size here, and I just threw it on with a little sandal. So
did we have those in green last year, those shorts? Because I have them here. I love them.
I think so. Yes. So Pistola tank top, also in red. You can probably see, I'll hold it up a little bit closer, the contrast stitching, white stitching there. But this fit so good, so stretchy. You can bunch it up if you want it. You can roll it over if you want, or roll it under, or just keep it pulled down, whatever. It is staying exactly where you want it to. Like, move around, let it just kind of lay natural, but it's got this awesome cut here. But again, I think it's one of those where if you wanted the tucked in look, you just roll it up and it stays and doesn't add a ton and all of that. But here it is in the red as well, which I love. Threw on the onset. I need these bad. And then here is another pair of fun little earrings for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Olympics coming up. So that's a fun little thing where if you didn't want to wear all the red, white, and blue, there's your little pop. I definitely like the small in this. I feel like I love that it's so stretchy, but the extra small just would grab unnecessarily. And this one still does.
Yeah, I feel like no matter what size you put on, it's going to be fitted.
Yes, that.
You know?
Yeah, but here is the red of this one, and then new pair of shorts. These are the shorts that you have on? Yeah, okay, New Days, which love this summer color so much. Very stretchy, a little bit longer in the back, big fan of that. And there you go, not super high-waisted, but also it's not a mid-rise, so, or low. What even is that? So there's that. Perfect white tee, new cut. This is the
yes,
Frankie. Okay, little bit. It just hits right at the waistline. So not cropped, but not oversized. It is going to show if you raise your hand up all the way. So beautiful V. This reminds me, this wider seam trim. What is this?
That's a Hendrix neckline.
Okay, yes. So I think I have this in like 3 colors from last year, but I actually like, I like the updates that they did a lot. So this is a nice clean white. It's not slub. It's not see-through. This is a great shirt. Love it. This is the same sweatshirt that we do. We did it for Christmas. We started. It had the holly. Nope.
It had Merry and Jolly.
Merry and Jolly. And then did we have this?
We had it at Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day, yes. So it's just really, really lightweight. I wouldn't even call it a sweatshirt. It's like a heavier long sleeve t-shirt. So love this color so much. I did size up in the shorts here. I like these much better. I never want to put on a pair of cutoff shorts and keep wanting to do that. If I find myself wanting to do that,
I feel like I'm doing right now.
I'm sizing up. I don't care. So that's what I found myself doing. Did they look fine? Absolutely. But was it in my head and I was going to just keep doing that? Yes. So put myself out of my misery and put a different size on, and I love them so much. So I was not in misery. That was an extreme statement. But there we go. This is so cute. This is the same sweatshirt, same whatever it is, long sleeve. So just so you know, if you're picking between one of the two, here is the other option. So same sweatshirt, here are two different.
This is a little like tighter, so it creates that like, it rolls for you, if that makes it right.
Yeah.
Would you say that?
Yep. So there's that with the band. Yep.
Yeah.
There's that you can do, or there's that, like you don't have to tuck it in. So just really cute. This is so cute. Okay. Very, very cute. Yes. Agree. Here is another one, same body as what you've known us to have, like for Christmas, and I don't think we did any of this for
not for Valentine's Day,
but it is a little more cropped. So it's not a cropped. You definitely don't have to show your belly, but it is one of those that can be taken in that direction if you choose. So there's that. Super easy. New tank top from Perfect YT. I mentioned that we did get a new one and it's made in America, and so of all this stuff, you know, Perfect YT is the most expensive stuff, but you know what? Made in America. There you go. Keep it here, peeps. Okay, here is, it's a V-neck, but it's looking more of like a scoop with a little point. Maybe it's just because of my chest, but this is the Marie, and it's a V-neck blondie. However,
it's more like a V-neck Debbie.
It's more like a V-neck, right, Debbie, because of the extra length. So you know what? She's her own person. She is a V-neck, and she has a little more length than the blondie. So she has her own identity here. This is why I'm saying the length. This is the original OG blondie. So this is where it hits. And it hits right here. I love it because I don't have to do anything. I can put it on and go. But it is a crop on some.
Yeah, like I struggle. I have to have really high-waisted for sure. Like high-waisted.
Yes. So when I said that Marie was not a blondie, like that name just needs to come out of there, because that is like, that would,
it's not short.
Keep you from buying it if you were like, oh no, that's as short as a blondie. I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
But anyway, I just wanted to compare. There's a new one. We probably got a restock of these.
Well, actually, this is updated fabric. This has got spandex in it now.
These are mystery tank tops. These are not Pistola. This is a different line. We had to do it just because you guys love this line, and so fun, so easy. I do just have my bra straps tucked back here, but it's this color, and then also is in the blue. So there's that. So you can see
it's a little bit more white. Yeah, a little whiter, but
it's a little more off-white and red. This is white and blue. So this is
really cute. I'll show that too.
Okay, you can see my bra strap, but I can't.
I can. Okay. Yeah, your hair, I feel like, is covering it, but.
Okay. Anyway, there's this in the blue, tucking my bra. I'm really trying to make. This is your neckline. Here is a little dress from Dress Forum. There's a couple of things we can do here. So here.
Careful when you turn this side in.
Yeah, the arms. Your arms are.
Oh, look at us go. Okay, so I need a shirt under here. All right, so this is as a dress, but you need something under here because your whole bra is going to show. But there's the dress version. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see the actual print. We love this print so much. Let me show it as a kimono because it's way cute. Okay, here we go. And then there it is as a kimono. So, you know, we love anytime someone's like, oh, I really love cutoff shorts, but they just can't. They put them on and they're like, don't go out of the house with them. This is what we do. This is how we wear cutoff shorts and don't have to worry about anything that we aren't comfortable in. So there you go. That's a cutoff short look with a blondie tank, and there's the kimono. That is the cutest little summer 4th of July or all of the festive stuff.
All of them.
Doesn't even have to be 4th of July. That's so
Yeah.
cute, just like that. Chaser did a great job with this. Yes, yes, yes. So this is a Chaser half zip. And
So soft.
oh, and so just good. This is
Good
definitely
gray.
so good. Look at all that. Look at all those hearts. There's Kama. This is Kama's. So, so cute. Okay, and this is awesome. This is like forever. The more you wash this,
Yeah.
you're gonna have this one. This is gonna be your go-to USA, whatever. I feel like this is very like Olympics-ish. Don't you?
They brought it in for the Olympics.
Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for joining us on the Star Spangled Spirit collection. So fun. Hope you love these new arrivals.